last day of room service.
Sorry.
Waffles. Good morning from day 5, our last day of the cruise. Sad but exciting. Today we are here in Cabanas for breakfast. It is too busy outside for us to be able to go anywhere, so we're sitting inside at a fun rounded table instead. Today is going to entail chill, hang out. We will at some point be meeting Rex because with the Pixar day at sea, they have extended it into the second day at sea. As well as we will be doing a couple other things. River's excited about having whipped cream now. And yeah, that's my thoughts for the moment. Totally at random. We'll stick all our thoughts together in a second. Also, we're gonna do the Frozen show later on this evening. How are they?
They're really good. Really good.
How's the texture?
Good. Light, but dense, soft, and warm.
Yummy. Alright, River's enjoying her people soup. What happens on the last day? You got everybody on the ship hanging out on deck.
Aquatic shirt on, and another friend wearing Stitch. We've got to hang out with this guy at some point. He surfs too, I know, Rex. I think you would have a lot of fun surfing. I don't know if you have, maybe, do you have good balance? I think you've got the tail, that probably keeps you balanced. Yeah. Well, there's one way to find out, right? Next time we throw a party in the tub, we'll do a little surfing too, alright?
Let's say, where's your outfit?
Well, you know, if we Partysaurus all the time, then Partysaurus doesn't mean as much, right? So we got a regular Rex sometimes, so that we can hit the sprinkler and do a little surfing as Partysaurus.
That makes sense, right?
That makes sense.
Yeah. You gonna grab a picture? Let's do it.
Right here, friends, and big smile for me. 1, 2, 3. 1 more, and 3.
And now on to lunch. There's Denise. She's our amazing server who served us the whole trip. She was fantastic. She's helping Crystal get all the gluten-free stuff that she needs for her diet. Here's our yummy, yummy food.
We're staying in 9017 and 9019. We're gonna tour just this one because they're the exact same room, just flip-flopped. We got Nana already in here. So as soon as you walk in, you have closets. So you got a double closet here, a space for a safe and a couple of shoe racks, and your life vests. We got a single closet here for your hangers. Behind you, so in this one, there is only a single bathroom, unlike Disney's double split signature, but it has a nice sized tub and shower, toilet, bathroom, or sink. I have the amazing Disney products. It smells so amazing. Likewise. They also have up here, these things come across and hook in. So that way you have a clothesline for your wet clothes, so you're not walking around with wet clothes all trip long. Coming in, you have a nice little vanity here, along with a nice mirror. Hello. Provide a couple of glasses for you. Also, you've got a small little drawer here that's got room service. You can put these on your door outside and they'll get you stuff. You can put it out every night, but make sure you do it every night except for embarkation day. They also give you 2 postcards and some paper and envelopes and a nice Disney Cruise Line pen. Got a couple drawers here, and then inside here they've got a nice little cooling fridge, and it might open. There we go. So it opens a little. It's not, doesn't get cold, it's chilled. And over here we have a couch that folds down into a bed. In the other room, there is also a bunk that comes down from there. I love in this room, we've got these stamp collections, really old looking stamps. Those are fun. Then you have a queen size bed. It is a solid bed. It does not split into 2 like other cruise lines. And they have a magical porthole, so you have a view from the front of the ship that happens, as well as Disney characters will suddenly pop up on there at random times and do random things. We've had Stitch come up there and lick the lens. You've had Potato Head kind of creep his way into it. We've had Peter Pan fly by, and you've had late at night, not Disney, wow. Tinkerbell will come by and sprinkle some pixie dust and say have a good night. On the sides you have a phone, a drawer, and behind the phone there's an outlet. Well, that one's just a phone jack. On the other side there is an outlet. So you got your American and European over there. And then this right here can slide across to divide it into 2 different rooms if you wanted to have your kids to have a separate area. Also on the vanity show you, they've also got USB ports, USB-A, not USB-C, some European and American plugs, and then also this light right here, when you turn it off, also will convert into a night light. So that's a fun little feature. Got a little bitty TV that also comes out and swivels, so you can watch it from over there or over here, or even from the toilet if you really wanted to, but that would be weird. Anyway, all right, thanks for coming along with the Reedies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. River's already dug into the breed. That thing said a lot. Crystal got a gluten-free French onion soup. Lana got duck confit. And I got snails. Here we go. Snails. Nice and buttery and garlicky. So yummy. I got from the Animators palette today. And tonight we got ourselves a penguin. Don't know how a penguin got in the Bahamas, but you know.
You did.
He did.
How you doing? Oh, we had Megan Pin the kids one with what was the other girl's name?
Was it like the mini Yeah, because she said River. I said, who? She's like, River, you know the girl with the hat. I was like, who? And I was like, Pond. Got it.
Yeah, Taylor said, you think she'll let us on her hat? And Megan goes, no, not you.
Oh! Okay.
Megan
Okay.
was throwing people under the bus.
Sounds like Megan. Sounds like Megan.
All right, come on, Taylor.
Look good. That's right.
My pleasure. Welcome, Princess. Your girl we're fighting for is Princess Mulan! Please give a very enchanting welcome from her castle. It's Princess Pearl! He's your favorite party animal. It's Pluto! And of course, you first let him on deck. He danced his way into your hearts. It's Goofy! Hey! Here comes our very own diva of the Disney fantasy. It's Daisy Duck! Oh, Henry girl! And of course, he's our number one duck. It's Donald Duck! Number one! Here come those cheeky chipmunks, double trouble, Chip and Dip! And of course, last but by no means least, everybody's favorite pals, Captain Mickey and Captain Minnie Mouse! Aye, aye, Captains! Hey! Let's hear it for Mickey and the gang! 1, 2, 3! See you real soon, Captain Mickey and Captain Minnie.
Thanks for coming along with videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.